Biamono Clinton inki lakini totageta ase serikali change totageta karoli litoko takakoboli change totageta
bagata ruto must go
to agency oborai. Truth be told obogema bwakongire. Number one, since Kibaki abantu ngomeke ba referencing koru Kibaki arweto borai na liye bintu byansete ko saleka. We are forgetting nga Uhuru na arenge na yara 10 years ago. It was during Uhuru's tenure tuwakana ta madeni baka ya Golden Bag. Tukakana madeni ya mange kweli. Amadeni enage ndrete wakano. Actually most of those loans mbono chia akuru ili chi interest na bintu binde bi wakanwa. To koligereria the economies of scale inkiota kere kwa priority tuwanyoranga lideni lya China nditakeria kanu. Ebinto lideni lya kolete ko se loan ya kolete ntobirochi. But oinse kolike lyo mwananchi no opposition yeri mono na igujimi wanjiga akotebanga serikali entonye imokitonyera ira no wana ra konyara because ya madeni ara wakanwa wage bill gerigoro engaki ya Kibaki alenga ntu abwa the county government ntu abwa the members of parliament ba alenga this March ntu abwa the senate ntu abwa ministers batali members of parliament bona abantu aba ba mentira abange sana county executive yabeiro ekekiye yerenke etakeire panuliwe yani bekiwe benene mono
isa nabando
eyue minatinga omwana inji na Roma the source of the cake was bono go ka contribute mono tax go ike akwe ebe nyinge ekeke mai ko benene take care of county government take care of ballooning wage bill kero monda da ko liku I can tell you for free omondo even the private sector tata ke ko private sector da ko liku P&P. So far, close to 70,000. Something which is has never happened. But the truth is, it is because of complicated matters. Raila Odinga was number one complainant about the serikali. He thought mafuta ya gari imeenda juu. Mboga imeenda juu ebintu byanzu byachire korabo akatebanga mafuta yechigare bono tigambeke minister yano byo wandanya akaye winaji
ke ya maguta wan
omonto magana ya tax tigambeke doni mbadi omonto wana because they were complaining bakaye wala treasury yeyu ingilia tigalete Weso fund asala fund na abantu ba complaining egenteke
mining hoja
those are three critical areas no mining amangana yo ya migodi na bintu binde bayirwe egenteke serikali from the look of things ya garoten rete treasury ogatena mafuta transport and other things energy yo garonye tenete igono bwate getali say 20% ya serikali still no bwate voice international assembly no bwate abantu bao parliament house business committee eliye go prioritize yama chi agenda no begeta abantu bao tuamanya koranga the story remains the same. Then there must be something wrong, not with the president, but even within ourselves, the system. Perhaps one of our major challenges here is even our county government. Emeshara yekoliye we menge kubwa development ya kokorwa. Oizekole counties ntotagere ko tuware ndego kunga cottage industries. And that is the mandate ya counties. Koligere ja gitali na chichire health igere devolved. Ange 90% of health igere devolved inside. Lakini koligere linki ba kolire bado sindo bwato bakongbolinga bali yokota hiyo. Remember counties ingo sangereje bango. Ba declare. But into bwato so revenue avenues chine cheigoirwe chibese chibe chinyinge ekekie yebanuli wewe nene. So in as much as soko beke blame igorali as a president na Raila bono ka so ira serikali individually even our county governments, because I see some governors bakale complain what have they done with the little banya already. Because the government is also struggling. We have had a dependency levels chi abere chi nene sana paka private sector ba abere ba go chabotambe ono use idea yache de kaka close to 70 billion ekasoka na chirochi ine kapwe in the Ministry of Health e budget imbale konyebeka gozi bale komanya private sector ngoje yashughulika ekare kikiachire is another wake up call to the government ono goji motu through me told na liyo bogima bogocha kokongo boko bonane mono Jimmy Wanchigi atebaiga serikali eno watu wale konya Raila bado ngo mozinya yalenge onde bwenzi ne abagenzi umozinya yalenge. We can now sit and agree ngakitora acha the way forward beyond Raila and the president to answer cover part of the solutions. My concern has been oligereli beyond all our problems tumago chibekere candidate here motu. Number 2, very importantly, okoranga gusi tuamuire nga igente ko president na botota gete matiangi fever igere ya achire very high. I expected Raila ogererwe kara agenda matanga. Was it Moranga?
Manzoni.
Matanga na aralenge Kiambu. I expected ya ogererwe, but he stood agatebanje na achire Ruto na achire Ruto ondiget. Meaning there's a problem. Na Raila appeared to be the solution. Akamogoni na engu atakete serikali nkonye ngo because yazire
Na kiwata